sound of many voices in the camp and on the track, and letters coming up in boats to stations out the back. And every boat that crosses from the sunny other side is bringing ways of shares with the swelling of the tide. 'Cause shearing's coming round, boys, shearing's coming round, and the stations in the mountains have begun to hear the sound. They'll be talking up at Blackmore of the tallies that were shorn, and the man that broke the record is remembered at Benmore. And the yarns of strikes and barneys will be told till all is blue, and the ringers and the bosses will be passed in long review. 'Cause the shearing's coming round, boys, the shearing's coming round, and the stations in the mountains have begun to hear the sound. Then the great O'Rari muster and the drafting of the men, like a mob of hues and weathers, will be surely told again. And a lot of heathen places that will rhyme with kangaroo will be named along with ringers and the things that they can do. 'Cause the shearing's coming round, boys, the shearing's coming round, and the stations in the mountains have begun to hear the sound. And at last the crowds will gather for the morning of the start, and the slowest of the jokers will be trying to look smart, and a few will get the bullet and I hopes we'll have a ball, and the bloke that talks the loudest has a show of looking small. 'Cause the shearing's coming round, boys, the shearing's coming round, and the stations in the mountains have begun to hear the sound. Oh, the shearing's coming round, boys, the shearing's coming round, and the stations in the mountains have begun to hear the sound.